Your digital life is stored in the cloud, but what if you want a local copy? Whether you're switching accounts or just want a hard copy backup, Google Takeout is the tool you need. In 2026, there are a few new tricks to make this process 10 times faster. Let's dive in. First trick: never just hit export. Google defaults to selecting everything, which can take days to process. Click Deselect All, and only check the boxes you actually need, usually Drive and Photos. Pro tip: check your formats. For Drive files, you can now choose to convert docs into PDFs or Word files automatically during the export. Second trick: don't download to your computer if you don't have to. In the destination menu, you can now send your backup directly to Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. This saves your local bandwidth and puts your backup straight into another secure cloud. Trick 3. By default, Google splits your data into tiny 2 GB zip files. If you have 100 GB of data, that's 50 separate downloads. Change the file size to 50 GB. This forces Google to give you 1 or 2 large files instead of dozens of small ones. It's much easier to manage. Once you hit Create Export Walk Away, Google will email you when it's done. Now you're the master of your own data. Don't forget to subscribe for more 2026 tech hacks.